What you doing? Or are you just a happy boo-boo? Hey guys, how's it going? What's up? What's new? Welcome back to my channel. Today is episode 2 on Cut the Clutter series. We are working on my bathroom, the front entrance with the front closet, and the laundry room. So the current situation with the bathroom. It's a little messy, but it'll look good in the end. Let's just give a dramatic entrance. Boom! Yeah, guys, I wasn't joking. It's messy. So the plan is obviously clean and organize this, as well as clean and organize the bottom here. I need to go out and get some containers because there's gonna be a lot of stuff that's going bye-bye in here. And this right here, it needs to be organized. Like I said, I want to make this like a decorative area. I don't want it to have any of my stuff on here. Bathtub, pretty simple. I need to get rid of some bottles and a new puff. I need to go buy one. And then his bathtub is just pretty much gonna stay in there. This was a box that was in our closet that has a bunch of extra stuff that I have to go through and don't think I need anything in there. So this altogether will be quite the project, that is for sure. We have kind of already started in this area, but this was in our front closet. We decided to take it out because we had another shoe rack here. It is now at the bottom and we are going to be chucking this little sucker out. There's not much that we have going on down there, but over here is pretty much done. These two things are gonna stay here permanently. It's my diaper bag and Rock's car seat. And then over here is our front closet. It has a lot of junk and a lot of jackets that I can donate that I do not wear anymore. Like, we have a lot of stuff. Again, some more bags that we can get rid of, and this is pretty much all of Greg's jackets, plus a little bit more that's in there. Then down here, we pretty much have like our dog food in case we run out of raw. We have our extra water jug, and then we have our recycling cans. So that pretty much has to stay in there no matter what. We're gonna organize and play around with this. Then over here in our lovely laundry area, it is an utter mess as well. So here we have our vacuum. We really want to get rid of this vacuum. We want to kind of invest in something better. We have our deep freeze that obviously is not going anywhere. This I want to possibly get rid of. We have all of our suitcases that are very unorganized. Some extra bags and stuff up there. And then we have all this space that we need to organize. It's a hot mess, guys. It's a hot mess. But as of right now, Rock wants a little bit of attention, so I'm gonna go hang out with him a bit. And then when he goes down for his first nap, I think I'm going to tackle the laundry room first, then the closet, and then my bathroom, because I still need to go out and get some containers for it. Practice some sitting. Ready? Almost. Come on. And do it again. Oh, I know, tough work, eh? Ready? And do it for the camera. Mommy's so proud of you. Oh my god, look at you go. Oh my god, look at you go. Good job, Brew. is pretty much our laundry room empty. Not bad storage in here, but it was gross. I'll wipe it down later, but right now I'm just trying to organize. These hangers right here, some of them will go, but some of them will stay just because we do hang some of our t-shirts after we wash them instead of putting them in the dryer. But I pretty much like blocked myself in here and I need to go check on the baby. Oh man, I'm so not smart. I'm gonna bang this out while baby is still sleeping. And then I got one room down and then 2 to go. Pick a lunchbox.
No.
Yes.
I fucking want them all.
Okay, when I go back to work, this is a good lunchbox. I do not want this.
That's thoughtful. Well, obviously I'm keeping that one. Look at the size of it. Just sell this one on Marketplace.
I know, I'm keeping that one. That one's for me when I go back to work.
Oh, good one.
That's rude.
You want another kid? When are you going back to work? Just me pumping kids in you.
I'm okay with that then. From their nap. Yeah. Oh. Let me try to put you right here. Let's see what happens. Oh, yay! So this is what we're keeping. It's a little excessive, but you know, when I get my long hair again, I usually use 2 towels for myself. One for my hair, one for my body. Good cut down, Rock. High five. High five. Yeah. I'm just gonna go feed Rock and take a little break with him. Daddy has gone to the dollar store to pick up some things, so that makes me have less trip now that he is going. Pick up some containers so that we can do the bathroom. Check in after. I am done the laundry room. I am very excited about it. It is very empty. Like, I'm proud. I'm proud. Are you guys ready for the reveal? Of stuff that we are getting rid of. Feels very satisfying. This bag right here is pretty much tools and Greg's like construction stuff and scaffolding stuff. So that's gonna go in his garage. This is garbage that is getting chucked out. So that is a big accomplishment. That thing was packed to the max and it is now done and clean and minimalized. Next project is going to be our front closets.